That's your boy Lil Jamie right there. So we're just checking out the screen and all that, you know? What's that? How it works, right?
Yeah, but yeah.
Yeah, so that's what's up, you know what I'm saying? Look, all the cars right there. Let's hang out.
That's your crib, man.
Yeah.
MTV crib.
You know, that's my park. You know what I'm saying? That's how it is. And that's what's up.
Yep.
Check out my park. You know. Like hello cars.
Damn, look those 24, 22. You see it?
That's the 20.
Damn, it seems like how's your baby, man.
Yeah. That's how we fly up, man. That's the G's up.
Damn.
We throw some D's on it, man.
Oh, that's for your dog, right?
Hey, come check this out. Come check this out. Look. Check this out, man.
Oh, body bot.
Tell me what the hell is that?
Body bot, dog.
Can we deal with that? No, for real.
Man, look.
Tell me, can we deal with that?
3 balls on it.
Look, for real. That's the car, man.
That's the 30s.
There's the, I don't know how much, but I think that's the 24G, man.
Damn, look at it.
I swear to God, I'm playing. Yeah, that's how it is, man. That's the West Coast.
That's DJ Girl right there.
Yeah, my homeboy.
He's the one who makes the beat.
My homeboy DTG. You know how we do, right? That's that's what's up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So just listen to some Congolese music. He doesn't know that that's the West Coast. Look, the G's, man. Check this out.
2007.
Yeah, 2007. Ain't playing again.
You're gonna get it in 2014. Don't worry, man.
Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna kill some stuff I said for you. So let's go, man.